Welcome to this installment of Aberdeen TV. The topic of today's broadcast is going to be how to connect to your email using Outlook Web Access. What you need to do this is you need a computer and a connection to the internet. Now, you can use different browsers to connect to your email using Outlook Web Access. In the example above, I'm using Internet Explorer. So what we want to do is you want to go to the address line and you want to type in the path that will bring up the authentication window for your Outlook mail. Okay? So what you want to do is you want to type in HTTPS, S is for secure, colon, slash, slash, mail, dot, or period, your specific domain name. Now in our case it's aberdeen.com. Your domain name would be what's after your @ symbol within your email address. Then you want to type in a forward slash in OWA, which stands for Outlook Web Access. And then when you're done with that, go ahead and hit enter. What's going to happen is you're going to see an authentication website that shows up. And you're going to have an option to connect under a couple different methods to your Outlook mail. There's a private computer connection. That typically is when you're using the same computer and you're the only user of that computer. The other option, and the one we're going to use for this demonstration, is the public or shared computer. This is typically a computer that you don't have full security for. It also would be potentially a neighbor's computer, a family member's computer, or a computer at a public location, like a library, for example. So you're going to go down to domain name, domain slash username, and we're going to type in the domain name. Now you do not need the suffix for this. Just type in your specific domain name minus the .com or whatever your suffix is, and type in backslash. Now you want to type in your specific username, which is the same username as if you're at the office and connecting to your business network. Okay? So we've got that. Once you've got that entered, go down to the password line. In the password line, you want to enter your password. Now we strongly recommend that you have a challenging and difficult password because you don't want to have anybody get unauthorized access to your email. Once you've got your password entered, go ahead and select log on. When you log on, what you're going to see is you're going to see the inbox for your email, and it's going to tell you that you're connected to Microsoft Exchange. Okay? Well, within that, you're going to see all of your subfolders. You're going to see your mail, your calendar, your contacts, your tasks. Any items you have in a SharePoint repository would be in documents, and then public folders. Okay? So as you can see, it's quite easy to get connected to Outlook Web Access. The typical thing that foils people's attempts is they're typing HTTP versus HTTPS with a colon forward slash forward slash. If you have any specific questions or having problems connecting to Outlook Web Access, please contact our office. If not, have a great day and appreciate you watching this installment of our webcast.